This is ESD, electric scooter delivery. Welcome, welcome guys. Yeah, it's the day, the night after, and it's still going. Hurricane Idalia, that actually not hitting my area. It's a little bit north of me, but we get the outer band of it. And rain over here, rain over there, but pretty much windy. Gust wind up to 35 to 40 mph, but it's windy. Even if it's no gust wind, I still feel the wind very bad. I have to crouch, and I'm trying to ride normal, not too fast, that means. So we're gonna give it a shot. We're on the way to the spot. You saw me coming down from the ramp that I have on my deck. When I actually built the deck a year ago, I made sure to build that ramp in mind that I'm having scooter or other stuff that I'm gonna need. And I'm happy I did, make my life a lot more easier. So I hope you guys can hear me. But you see, I'm even going on the bike lane because it's way too windy to go fast. I'm gonna give it a shot for that shift. I don't know if we can make it, but we're gonna try. We're on the way to the spot. So thank you guys for joining me. I really appreciate it. I apologize if that's gonna be the video, a short video just trying to do something. But we'll see. I'll update you, of course. I don't think it's smart, but I wanted to show you how it is to ride on the scooter when it's a little bit windy more than normal. Because I do not recommend riding in condition when it's windy like it is right now. So just keep that in mind. But I thought it's going to be interesting to show you people how it is. So let's go to the spot and see if we get something, and if we can even do it, or I'm gonna make a U to go back home. Yeah, so the ramp on my deck is amazing. I use it not only for the scooter, for a lot of other stuff. So we'll see what's up. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we made it to the spot and everything calmed down now. So everything is quiet down. They do say it's gonna rain very soon, so I'm trying to squeeze at least one delivery, and we got one. 10:15 for a mile and a half from Padrino's Cuban Cuisine. I do know it's gonna rain because it says 90% the next half hour. So let's see if we can squeeze one. So right now we have some quiet before the storm. I don't know how much. If it's not, we'll continue, but I don't know. We're gonna see how it develops. Hello.
Welcome.
Paula. Okay, so I'm waiting over here for them to bring it back, and we get something interesting. 650, 0.9 mile from Chipotle from DoorDash. I didn't see where the other one goes, but we're gonna try to combine both of them. Because it's less than a mile, so wherever the other one goes, we'll combine it. Got 7 minutes. Thank you. Paula? Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Okay, so that was nice. It was ready very fast. Let's go to Chipotle real quick, and then we confirm both of them. Hopefully Chipotle will be ready. So then we're gonna decide which one we're doing first. Most likely DoorDash, because DoorDash give you time. So that's gonna be nice, so we can squeeze at least this double if we can keep walking, you know. The focus look very bad. Sorry. It's my brakes, I need to change them. Not ready yet?
Oh, God.
I don't know what to do, guys. Yeah, this is 1.7 miles for Uber. Yeah, we're gonna wait. I'm like 5 orders away in Chipotle. I was about to do Uber and then come back, but with DoorDash you can play the game. gonna take me too long. So
We're gonna go.
yeah, I'm gonna wait. Uber gonna have to wait. I'm gonna wait for the DoorDash to pack it. Okay, I think she's packing mine now. I hope so. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Yeah. And the other way around. Alright. We're a little bit off course. It's going the other way. But it's all good. It's not far. We're going to do John first from DoorDash. Uber going to be a little bit delayed. It is what it is. Because we have no other choice. We're going to try to make it fast.
Turn left on Sterling.
I know where John going. Back in the days, I used to deliver him a lot. I haven't seen him in a long time. It is the other way. We're going to have to come back here. And up! And keep going straight. Quick. Hello. John, how you doing? Leave it here?
Thank you.
1 second, confirm. You all said thank you, buddy. Yeah, stay the same, it's all good. It's a nice order. Now we in a rush to go to the other one. Yeah. We made it a mile longer now. But it is what it is, we got a nice double. Almost $17 for both of them. I want to say for 3 miles altogether. 1.7 for the first one and 0.9 for this one. So 2.7 miles. We're gonna do it fast.
Just enter.
Oh boy.
Turn left on line.
So much traffic. I'm trying to split the traffic. Not easy. I'm happy it's a straight shot all the way past Federal Highway. We can get the green train, we'll be set. Okay, so now we're back to 1.6 miles because the spot is on the left. Oh, I know it looks clear, but I can feel the drizzle already. Oh boy. Okay, we're almost there. 0.3 miles. Yeah, that's the funny thing about Florida. The sun is out, and it's still. You fucking moron! See that? Giving me the hand. Why I need your freaking hand? If you kill me, it doesn't help me that you put your hand. Trying to steal the light, that's what he's doing. So I was saying, sun is out, no clouds, but it's drizzling. Very light, you can see it, you can feel it, but that's what the story is. We'll see. I always make the same mistake, we've been here. Which unit? Hello.
How are you, man?
How you doing, buddy? I remember you guys for Paula.
Yeah.
Alright, confirm, complete. You all said, I appreciate it, buddy.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you. Okay, so that is next to the diving store that we did delivery a couple of days ago. All right, we're gonna have to make a decision. We're gonna go back to the spot, see how's the weather at the spot because we're a little bit farther than the spot. Almost hit myself. So we're gonna go to the spot, see what the situation is, and make a decision. It's nice and clear over here. We'll see what's up once we get to the spot. Let's go back to the spot. Okay, guys, we gave it a shot, and as you can see, the rain came. It's drizzling on me right now. I actually hid a little bit before because it was a little bit heavier, but the road is wet. It's drizzling a little bit harder and harder, so we're gonna make a run for it. Hopefully where I'm going to my house direction, it's not raining. We tried. I wanted to show you how it is. It didn't work. 10 minutes after I arrived to the spot, shit hit the ground. It's all good, but what's nice about it, now that it's raining, the wind is quiet down. So that's a good thing. Even though when I'm riding, I still feel the wind. But other than that, just the rain and the wet road. It's about to come down harder, so yeah, I'm gonna run from it. Come on, people, let's go. I'm getting wet over here. Let's go. So hey guys, I just wanted to show you what the story is. If you want to stay with me a little bit on the ride back, see if we get lucky without rain or we get a little bit more. We actually got a nice order. Where is it going? Let me see something. Oh no, it's coming back over here. I don't want to come back over here. Yeah, can't take it. It was nice, $7 for 1 mile. But yeah, I'm trying to run away from it, not to go into it. If it was going direction to my house, I would have taken it because it's for Mr. and Mrs. Sandwich. And we're actually going to pass it right now. But then I need to go back here. I don't want to. So yeah, we try, guys. I actually went out just to show you guys how it is. Welcome to Florida. We usually get a lot of hurricanes. This is the hurricane season right now. Sometimes we've been lucky, sometimes we didn't. So far so good. We're gonna wait it out another couple of months. What's up? Yeah, you see over here it's not raining. It's all dry. My spot area is all wet and raining. So yeah, you gotta take the good and the bad in Florida. And most of it is good. Let's go, buddy. So unfortunately it's gonna be a short video. Windy condition riding. Should that be the title? Trying. Alright guys, I want to say thank you for joining me for this short video. I tried to do a full video. Unfortunately I couldn't. Not exactly my fault. I did give it a shot. So we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully it will be better. Yes, peace out.